Hello students. Uh, in this particular unit, which is Internet of Things application and application examples, this particular unit we are going to refer from the book called The Evolving World of M2M Communications by Daniel Minoli. I have already uploaded this particular book on the Moodle. Also all the PPTs of this particular book. Let us start. Overview. Related to IoT application, proponents make the observations that there are so many applications that are possible because of IoT. For individual users, IoT brings useful applications like home automation, security, automated devices monitoring, and management of daily tasks. For professionals, automated applications provide useful contextual information all the time to help on their works and decision making. In industries with sensors and actuators, operations can be rapid, efficient, and more economic. Managers who need to keep eye on many things can automate tasks, connection digital and physical objects together. Every sector, energy, computing, management, security, transportation are going to be benefited with this new paradigm. Development of several technologies made it possible to achieve the vision of Internet of Things. Identification technology such as RFID allows each object to represent uniquely by having unique identifier. Identity reader can read anytime the object allows real-time identification and tracking. Wireless sensor technology allows objects to provide real-time environmental conditions and context. Smart technologies allow objects to become more intelligent, which can think and communicate. Nanotechnologies are helping to reduce the size of the chip, incorporating more processing power and communication capabilities in a very small chip. Taxonomy of applications, we can have different applications which is given in this particular table, which says examples of MTC applications as defined in 3GPP. MTC is mobile type communication, which is again in the whole book read as M2M communication. Both M2M, which is machine to machine communication, and M2C communications are the same. In this they have categorized different applications, like the first one. In the first category we have consumer devices. In that we can have digital camera, digital photo frame, ebook. These can be applications under this. Next category is health monitoring, vital signs. Here we can have remote diagnostics, supporting the aged or handicapped, web access, telemedicine points. Under metering we can have gas, grid control, heating, industrial metering, power, water, and many more. Under payment we can have gaming machines, POS, vending machines. POS is point of sale machines. Remote maintenance control sensors, we can have elevator control sensors, lighting sensors, pumps, valves, vehicle diagnostics, vending machine control, and many more. Service area M2C applications, backup for landline, car security, driver security, control of physical access, example to buildings control, security security surveillance system, and many more. Tracking and tracing fleet management, asset tracking, navigation, order management, pay as you drive, road tolling, road traffic optimization, traffic information. These can be some applications under tracking and tracing fleet management. Now this again, what they have done, they have grouped some applications under MTM context. So MTM context, under MTM context, what we have, the first one is buildings. Here home automation can be done as well as office automation can be done. Healthcare, home, hospital, mobile, e-health, assisted living and many more examples are the applications under this particular healthcare. Energy, energy generation as well as energy distribution, like we have smart meters, smart grid, green energy and many more. Production automation can be done as well as quality control can also be controlled. So we have here production line management, quality control and many more. Under transport, vehicles and supply chain, intelligent transport system, e-vehicles, goods tracking, these are some applications. Retail, stores, tourism, goods tracking, supply chain automation are some examples under retail. Security, crime or terrorism or disaster and emergency. Electronic surveillance, electronic security, electronic monitoring, military use. These are some of these applications under this particular group. Some of the possible short-term applications Some of the possible short-term applications include the following: building automation and remote control, facilitating efficient commercial spaces, smart energy, supporting office building, home energy management, healthcare, providing health and fitness monitoring, home automation, giving rise to smart homes, retail services, enabling smart shopping. These are some examples. A longer list of applications includes but is not limited to the following. So we will discuss some of the following groups where some IoT applications are discussed. Public services and smart cities, public services and smart cities, telemetry, for example, smart metering, parking metering, and vending machines, intelligent transportation systems, and traffic management, connecting consumer and citizens to public infrastructure such as public transportation, in building automation, municipal and regional infrastructure, metropolitan operations like traffic, automatic tolls, fire, and so on. Electric grid management at global level, smart grids, electric demand response at a global level. Second group in this is automotive fleet management, asset tracking, e-vehicle, for example, navigation, road safety, and traffic control, driver safety and emergency services, fleet management systems, hired car monitoring, goods vehicle management. Next is backseat infotainment device integration. Next generation global positioning system services, tracking, asset tracking, cargo tracking, and order tracking. Next group is commercial markets. Under this, there are many applications like industrial monitoring and control. For example, industrial machines and elevator monitoring. Commercial building and control, process control, maintenance automation, home automation, wireless automated meter reading, that is AMR, automated meter reading, and load management, homeland security applications, chemical, biological, radiological, and nuclear wireless sensors, military sensors, environmental and agriculture wireless sensors. Here, land, air, sea, different sensors can be used. Finance, point of sale machines, point of sale terminals, ticketing. These are some examples. Under security, public surveillance and personal security. In this, the next group is embedded networking system in the smart home and smart office. Under this, there are many applications which are listed below. Smart appliances, for example, AC power control, lighting control, heating control, and low power management. Automated home, remote media control, smart meters and energy efficiency. Efficiencies obtained by exploiting the potential of the smart grid. Telehealth, assisted living, and in-home mobile health services, including remote monitoring, remote diagnostic, and many more. Security and emergency services, integrated remote services. Now all those applications which you have seen like smart grid, e-health and all, we will see those applications in detail in the next sections. ETSI, which is European Telecommunication Standards Institute, has published a number of use cases for IoT applications in the following documents. Now this includes smart use cases for smart metering, use cases for M2M applications for e-health, use cases for M2M applications for city automation, access terminals, transmission and multiplexing, machine to machine communication, and ISO, which is International Standards Organization, has also published a paper on road vehicles, which is road vehicles, environmental conditions and testing for electrical and electronic equipment. In next sections, we will see these applications, all these applications individually in detail. Thank you.